Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making beef liver fry in the air fryer. So I've got some beef liver here, which was frozen and I got it thawed and it's ready to be cut. So I'm going to cut it in small pieces. So I've got them cut into small pieces, like thin strips. And next I have a medium-sized onion, which I'm going to slice. So I've got the mixing bowl here, and to this I'm going to add the sliced onions. I've cut them thinly sliced. And next goes the cut beef liver. To this we are going to add the spices. So I've got the Himalayan pink salt. Just sprinkle salt as to your taste. Next is some black pepper. Next is some garlic powder. And some mixed spices. And some paprika. And after that, lastly, we're going to add some canola oil before we give it all a good mix so that it marinates nicely. Now I'm going to give it all a good mix before I put it all into the air fryer. Now you have to make sure that you don't have a lot of beef livers, because you want to put just one layer onto the air fryer. If you pile it up a lot, it won't crisp up nicely. So what I'm looking for is nice and crispy outside and soft inside, and also the onions being caramelized along with the beef livers. So that's the idea which we have, and we'll see how it comes along. So as you can see, it's all mixed up nicely and been sitting here for about 10 minutes or so. And the next step is I'm going to pop this onto my air fryer bowl or basket if you have. Toss it all in. Mine is a big bowl, so it can stay as one layer. I'll show it to you. So I'm going to just spread it out nicely. And also this will shrink and become more smaller. So that's also a point to keep in mind. So yeah, this looks good because we've put the oil already. It's gonna nicely cook together. Let's take this to the air fryer. Okay, I'm going to put this in. So you're going to keep it for 15 minutes at 400 degree. So that's what my air fryer is set at, 400 Fahrenheit, and for 15 minutes. So we'll come and check in between and see how it goes. Okay, so this is halfway through and I'm going to stir it now. If you don't stir it, then only one side will be done. So just ensure that you give it a good stir halfway through. It's getting there. Okay, let's go again. So as you can see, it's cooking nicely. Just make sure you keep opening after every 5 minutes and stirring it so that it cooks all the way through and all the sides are nicely crispy and all done. It's getting there. Exciting. And 15 minutes was not enough, so I'm going to put it for another 10 minutes and come back to it. So yeah, see you in just a few more minutes. Okay, so here we have the finished product. It's nice and dry, and the best part about cooking in the air fryer is you're using so much less oil and it's so much healthier and delicious. And at the end, if you want, you can garnish it with some freshly cut tomatoes and some green chilies as well, because my husband likes green chilies a lot. So yeah, that's why I've got some green chilies cut in here. And yeah, it's ready to be served. I hope you give this beef livers a try at home. Cook it and let me know in your feedback in the comments below. And please, I would appreciate if you can hit the like button if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel, which will help me to produce more like these. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye for now.